Okay, day 3 of the cruise. Today we're just cruising. Tomorrow we'll be in St. Thomas. We're going to go up to the Windjammer, and I have to get me some milk. So I'm a milk aholic. And I think we're going to eat breakfast at Johnny Rockets. And we also found out we get another specialty dinner, so we're trying to decide where to go. Jeremy just peeled around.
Can't take me nowhere. It's embarrassing.
Jeremy's creepy there, but it's not bad.
Never see these people ever again. So.
It says Johnny Rockets.
Oh yeah.
And it is complimentary too. What'd you get?
Just 2 eggs, bacon and sausage.
I got the egg and cheese omelet and milk and some water. You got orange juice.
I got fresh squeezed orange juice.
We are going to go, excuse me, we are going to go ice skating. Jeremy's never been, so I bet he's going to fall. I know I will, so.
I hope I don't hurt my tailbone.
Found out with ice skating you have to have long pants, like jeans or some kind of pants.
I think long sleeve shirt too.
Yeah, I think that is what he said, and socks. Make sure you bring socks, so we're going to try it again.
There was a time I was a girl of a different kind. We ruled the world.
Alrighty. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Little wobble. Ooh, about lost it.
You still losing it?
Ooh, got it. At least it was graceful, right? Now. It was actually pretty enjoyable. I have to do that at home.
Yeah.
I've never been. That was great.
I fell.
Yeah, it's probably where I was pulling you too.
It's all in that one little area.
Huh?
That, like on the side, that's where I fell. But then I always fell again.
I tell you what, it was grooved up pretty good.
Yeah,
I mean, of
it
course,
was.
it makes sense. I mean, everybody knows road and skating with it.
Yeah. It is
Pretty
nice.
enjoyable. I definitely
Yeah, I
would do that
thought
again.
it was too, yeah.
For sure.
We're at the sandbar. Did you order? We both ordered the same thing. Caribbean cooler.
Oh yeah, sounded really good.
Yeah, it does. We're back in from the sea day, and we're just relaxing on our balcony and having a drink. Jeremy's gonna be out here in a minute. And tonight we are eating Mexican sabores, I think is what it's called. And they're doing the pictures with the captain, which I doubt we'll do. We don't really want to dress up formal tonight, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Let me just take a second look at this view. I could just sleep out here, I think. Look at the blue water. How do you like this balcony? Love it.
I don't know if I cruise again, when or if we cruise again, I won't. I don't think I can go back to an interior stateroom.
I know. I can't
It's
either.
just it's worth it. I mean it's a lot of money, but
Yeah. we are going to Mexican tonight. Oh, sorry, I almost sneezed. It's called Sabores, I think.
Sabor.
Sabor. Right, Sabaro.
Sabor.
Sabor. I don't know why I keep calling Sabaros is our pizza place.
Pizza.
Then we got margarita. I got a Miami Vice and I got tortilla soup.
Yeah, like a chicken
I got
tortilla
that
soup,
too.
shrimp tacos, and
Shrimp tacos.
Mexican rice.
And I got a quesadilla and I think Mexican rice. But they did give us some nachos and asked if we wanted guacamole.
Guacamole, yeah. I'm not a fan of guacamole.
Me either.
It might be really good though.
And salsa. And I hear somebody hacking right behind me. Oh. Here's the chicken tortilla soup. I haven't tried it yet. Jeremy says good. It's just very beany.
Beanie, yep.
Very beany.
It's like a pureed black
Is it really?
beans almost, yeah.
Chicken quesadilla and Mexican rice. I don't know what that is.
Looks good though. I'd eat it.
Jeremy got
Shrimp tacos, Mexican rice, and then all the fixings for
to
it.
make her own tacos.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah, I got 3 of them.
We are on the way to go watch a fine line. I think that's what it's called. of our vacay. Gonna go to the Cafe Promenade as always. There's my breakfast.
We're in On Air. Of course, they haven't opened yet for the day. We're just in here being nosy. Yeah, biggins. Pretty cool lighting in here. Fun atmosphere, it looks like.
Went to the boardwalk. Gotta play that song.
Look, we spend more time here than anywhere.
I know. I like the boardwalk. There's the dog house. Jeremy still hasn't got his hot dog. He said every time that he would walk by there, he's getting a hot dog, no matter if he's hungry or not.
Here's Allie. She's going for the flamingo. Just about had it. That's a rip-off.
Man, right in the blob. Right on the button. For a big abyss, and it was really fun, and Jeremy was able to get it on his GoPro.
Here we go.
You start at deck 15 and you go down to, where are we on? 6?
I think it's
so.
6. It's where the boardwalk that we've been
Yeah.
spending a lot of time at.
There you go. Yeah, it's fun. You just seen him dive into the water
First life we've seen in day.
for an animal.
Oh, look at the rainbow.
Oh yeah, it's so pretty.
That's gonna be a good day.
Yeah. Big old rock in the middle of here. There's St. Thomas at the port. Those little cute things on the
Yeah, I like that turtle.
pier. I do too. Alright, spotted a Del Sol.